But in the case of HIV, this may prove to be the cure. When we think of HIV, we immediately think of the devastating syndrome that this virus causes, called AIDS. People who develop AIDS become unable to defend themselves against infections. And this is because, ironically, HIV infects and kills the very cells in the body that are required for our defense against infection. Cells of the immune system, called T cells because they are produced in an organ called the thymus, which is right here. One of the biggest achievements in modern medicine has been the discovery of drugs which suppress HIV and stop it from killing T cells and causing AIDS. These drugs stop the virus from doing what it does best, replicating, making more viruses which would otherwise spread and cause disease. But HIV won't give up that easily. The virus can hide inside some T cells for years by entering a kind of sleeping state called latency. In this sleeping state, the drugs can't kill the virus because it's not replicating. And so when an HIV-infected person stops taking their medication, this virus can wake up, escape from these cells, and spread to cause disease. It's for this reason that HIV patients need to take their medication every day for the rest of their lives. This is a treatment and not a cure. Therefore, scientists have been interested in finding ways to get rid of the sleeping or latent virus that persists inside the cells of HIV patients. And last year, scientists in the USA came up with an exciting potential cure for HIV. All it involves is a protein with two arms. One of these arms binds to a special type of protein called a receptor, which is found on the surface of immune cells, like the T cells that HIV infects. Now, when this receptor is bound, it sends an activating signal into the T cell that wakes up the virus hiding inside. Now, this tricks the virus into thinking that the coast is clear. So it comes out of its hiding place and starts getting ready to make more viruses which can spread and cause AIDS. So why would we want to lure the virus out of its hiding place? Well, in the process of getting ready to replicate, HIV makes little virus building blocks which start to appear on the surface of the infected cell. Now, the second arm of our two-armed protein swings into action. The second arm can bind to these virus building blocks on the surface of the infected T cell. This releases the first arm, which can now recruit special immune cells called killer cells, which as you probably guessed, can kill the infected cell, destroying the virus along with it. The beauty of this is that it specifically kills the HIV-infected T cells while leaving the healthy T cells unharmed. So what we have is a protein with two arms that together can make the perfect trap for HIV. Thank you.